In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching Settings. Following that, scroll down a tiny bit and tap on Display. Then click on Font Size and Style. Select Font Style and click on one of those styles to apply a perfect one for you. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings and this time select Download Fonts. Now you can tap on a perfect one for you and hit Install at the bottom, or just click on this icon next to the one that you wish to download. Either way, when it's ready, go back and apply it by clicking on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!